So in this initial problem, we're going to solve a problem on indices. So in question A, we can see that we have this problem here. Now, whenever we have this situation, we want to change the base of these numbers so that they're both 2. That way you have 2 to the power something equals 2 to the power something, and therefore you can make the powers equal. Because when the bases are the same, the powers can be equal. So let's go ahead and start by looking at this side here. So another way of writing 4 is 2 to the power 2. So we have 2 to the power 2 all to the power y plus 3. So this is the same as this. Nothing's changed. Instead of 4, we have 2 to the power 2. Then we look at this number here. This is 8. So we have to ask ourselves, how can we make 8 2 to the power something? Well, 2 to the power 3 is 8. So then we've accomplished our goal. Now, we still have 2 to the power 2. We want to get rid of this power 2. When you have a power to the power something else, you can multiply this by this. Now, imagine that's in brackets, so you have to multiply by both. So it becomes 2 to the power 2y plus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 3. Now we have the situation I was talking about. We have a base here 2, another base here 2. So these two bases are the same, but the powers are different. When the bases are the same, therefore the powers must be the same. So then we can extrapolate this top here and say 2y plus 6 is equal to 3. And then we just solve the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides, becomes 2y equals minus 3, because 3 minus 6 is minus 3. And then we divide both sides by 2, so we get y is minus 3 over 2, which is equal to minus 1.5. Either one is correct. Now let's move on to part B. Part B says express 8 to the power 1 over 3, or minus 1 over 3, as an exact fraction. So 8 to the power minus 1 over 3. Now the first thing we're going to do is, because it's a minus, we can take it to the bottom. So this is the same as 1 over 8 to the power 1 over 3. Now again, how do you make 8 into a simpler number? Straight away, always think 8 is 2 to the power 3. All to the power 1 over 3. That is the same as that. 8 is 2 to the power 1 over 3. Now, what that allows us to do is multiply this by this, again, just like we did in the last question. So it becomes equal to 1 over 2 to the power 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1. So it's 1 over 2 to the power 1, which is equal to a half. So in its simplest form, an exact fraction is a half.